Talk to me, Jenny. You make me go crazy. And all you can say is no.